He is an incredible leader in our newspaper business. You know that he has served as the president of the Florida Press Association, and he's chaired the SNPA, and he's been involved in so many Florida and national organizations. David joined Suncoast Media Group back in 2002, I think it was, and then he went on later to create his DR Media Corporation now that runs community newspapers in the state of Florida. David also serves on the Florida Press Foundation board, and he is really the person that helped create the leadership program and the sponsorship of the Derek Dunn Rankin leadership program. This is so important to me personally because I can say to you that Derek Dunn Rankin, he was one of my mentors early on. We both worked for Landmark Communications for many years, and Derek was such a phenomenal leader, always 10 years ahead of himself. And then along comes his son, who does even more amazing things. David, while he's known for his journalism accomplishments and his newspaper accomplishments, his community leadership has been over the top. And that, folks, is what makes the difference between a strong local newspaper and a newspaper that's not connected to its community. David's leadership, he has time and time again pushed so many issues. His hurricane recovery leadership in his community is of legend. It is one of those things that we need to be so proud of. The fact that you look at small newspapers and the chances of them winning a Pulitzer Prize for great journalism, well, guess what? Their newspaper won. But to me, his greatest strength is every week he writes a column and he talks to his readers and he asks them for feedback and he gives his opinion, but he displays this phenomenal community leadership that is so important. That is something that we've got to remember. That we're under attack right now as far as business goes in so many different areas. But there is no way we can replace the leadership that a strong individual like David Dunn Rankin provides in this community. So proud today to recognize him for this great accomplishment and to join his dad in the Florida Newspaper Hall of Fame.